everyone, welcome to Smoky Knife. Today I'll be making Sriracha sauce, one of the renowned and famous hot sauce around the world. So, let's get started. I have used a combination of spicy red chilies and dry red chilies around 1.5 cup. I will also be needing white vinegar 1 cup, garlic cloves 1/4 cup, sugar 1/2 cup, salt 2 teaspoons. I'll be first cutting the red chilies into small pieces for even cooking. Remember to wear gloves while cutting or wash your hands properly afterwards, as the chilies are extremely spicy. Now in a bowl, add the chilies, garlic cloves, white vinegar. Let it soak for 15 minutes. Transfer to gas stove and cook it in low flame. Cook for 20 minutes. Check whether the garlic has cooked completely and the vinegar has almost evaporated. Now transfer to a grinder. Do not add the seeds of the chilies. You can strain the mixture and separate the seeds. Cool the mixture completely. Add oil 2 tablespoons. Grind into a smooth paste. Strain the sauce through a sieve. This step is very important to remove all the particles that are not grinded properly and makes the sauce smooth in texture. Put the strained sauce on a gas stove. Now add salt, and sugar. Now check the consistency. If it is too spicy, add more sugar to it. Simmer the sauce till the sugar melts. Keep stirring to prevent the sugar from sticking to the pan. Sriracha is a Thai sauce very popular in America. You can use it as a dip or mix it with any gravy or even rice for an extraordinary flavor. If you enjoy watching the video, do like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. Also, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out any of our upcoming videos.